My Christmas wish is maging blockbuster hit ulit ang pelikula ko. Adobo, para hindi mabilis mapanis, time to spend with the whole family. Mas maganda, mapayapa, matiwasay na bansang may maayos na gobyerno. For myself, I'm still enjoying this year, tsaka na ako magpaplano. My Christmas wish is maging blockbuster hit ulit ang pelikula ko, this Metro Manila Film Festival, You Call Me Mother. Christmas dish, adobo, para hindi mabilis mapanis, tas mas masarap kinabukasan. It's joyful, it's family, it's my nanay, it's my siblings, it's Ion, it's full of love. Time to spend with the whole family. Kasi pag busy ka sa trabaho, nade-deprive ka nung time na yon to enjoy with your family. Kaya yun ang pinakamahalagang gift na natatanggap ko. Yung time and chance to spend with my family. Wala lang, magpo-promote ako ng movie for Metro Manila Film Festival this Christmas. After Christmas kami alis ng family. Mas maganda, mapayapa, matiwasay na bansang masaya ang mga Pilipino, bansang may respeto sa mga mamamayan at may pagmamahal, bansang may maayos na gobyerno. For myself, wala pa ako, I'm still enjoying tsaka na ako magpaplano. My mother is the best gift. Call Me Mother, coming this December 25, official entry sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Kasama ko po si Miss Nadine Lustre, directed by June Robles Lana. Kaya kung nagustuhan niyo po yung And the Breadwinner Is, sigurado po kami na magugustuhan niyo rin tong Call Me Mother. Nakakatawa, nakakaaliw, nakakalibang, at nakakaiyak din. Kaya po, Call Me Mother this December 25.